how to create CSD account on IC World. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create CSD account on IC World. Okay, so before you can create CSD accounts on IC World, you need to create account on IC World. Okay, so after you have created the account on IC World, then you created your CSD account. Okay, so don't skip this video. By the end of the video, you know how to create CSD account. Okay, so I have already made a video about how to create IC World account, so you can come to my channel and watch that video. Okay, so I don't want to waste my time. Let's go straight to the point on how to create the CSD account on IC World. Okay, so what you have to do is you go to your IC World account. Okay, so you see that it will appear on your account like SD account required. So you click on the link there, continue with your existing CSD account. So after that, then you click on the link and then you see existing CID if available. Okay, so you choose your bank account. Okay, so the account you want to use it to register the CSD. Okay, so either mobile wallet or bank account, then you select the one you want to use it. Okay, so you click, you select the one. Okay, so after selecting it, then it will appear like this. What type? Mobile wallet on and select network. For this one, I use mobile money account. Okay, so you select MTN, either MTN, Vodafone, or any network you are using. Okay, so then you type your contact. Okay, so you make sure to type a valid contact. It's very important. So I'm typing my contact there. Okay, so then you click on submit. Okay, so you wait for a moment for it to save the new account. Okay, yes, the mobile wallet has added successfully. Okay, so the next thing is you move on to continue filling the form. So here, bank account, you select mobile money. This one I use MTN mobile money, and here you choose investment horizontal, either 1 year or 1 year to 3 years, 3 years to 5 years, 5 years to 10 years, over 10 years. Okay, so then you choose the one you want. Okay, so for me, I will choose 1 year to 3 years, so I will select that one. Okay, and the next one is investment object. Okay, so investment object, then I will select growth. Okay, and here is investment knowledge. Okay, so here also I will select investment knowledge. I will choose good. The next one is risk tolerance. Okay, so for that one, then you choose what you want. So for me, I select medium, and the down there you upload your signature. Okay, so you sign your signature and then you take a photo of your signature and then you uploaded it. Okay, so after uploading your signature, then you come and click on submit. Okay, so you wait for a moment for it to submit. So request submitted successfully. Okay, now you have created your CSD account on IC World. Okay, so after creating it, it will appear like CSD ID is pending. For this one, it will come maybe 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Okay, so when you are successful verified, then they will send you email. Okay, so you wait for 3 weeks to 4 weeks and then they will email you. Okay, so this is how to create CSD account on IC World. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit My Channel. Don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.